Hello everyone and welcome to your first ever class of biostatistics. I am Ebenezer from the Department of Statistics. I'll just write my name down. I am Ebenezer from the Department of Statistics, and I will be taking your biostatistics open elective. Alright, so this class is, I'm sure you know how it goes. We are going to record videos and put it for you to watch it. I will be, my staff room is in the science block. Alright. Any doubts, please contact me at science floor. Science block or science block. It is second floor. Alright. You can search for me there if you need any help regarding the same. Alright. So let us start with the definition and scope of biostats. So, whether you're studying biology, healthcare, or any field, understanding statistics is the key to making sense of the data. Alright? It's for any subject you want. Now let's start with basics. So what exactly is statistics? It's nothing but it is the science of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data. It helps us make informed decisions based on numerical data and observed patterns. All right, this is basically what is statistics all about. Now, in the context of biostatistics, what happens is that we deal largely with we deal with biological and health related research. For example, you want to study an effectiveness of of a new drug on reducing blood pressure. All right. So we're going to what? We're going to collect data and you can analyze the same about which drug is effective to cure or reduce blood pressure, right? We use this one. Now let us move on to the scope of statistics. It is used in every field, it's very wide, used in healthcare, environmental studies, economics, all right, engineering, and so on. Now let us study the scope of biostats in scope of biostats. I mean, scope of biostats. Let's study the scope of statistics and biostats, right? One of them is for designing and analyzing experiments. One, it is that. Second one, you have your epidemiological studies. Third, we have clinical trials. Okay, we can, suppose you want to test a new drug, we use this thing, right? For this, we need stats is very important for this thing. Use it for public health. Can use it to monitor diseases, disease outbreaks. We can check the next epidemic, next pandemic, and so and so. Next one, this also using genetics and genomics. It help us to make sense of complex data from gene sequencing and gene expression studies. All right, this always it's very important for all these studies. Now, for example, take instruction in clinical trials. We might want to determine whether a new drug reduces the risk of heart disease. All right. Through careful statistical design, we compute the health outcomes of people taking a drug versus those who don't take it. Right. Making sure that we observe differences are not due to random chances. Right. This is what we're going to do. In biostats, we commonly use techniques such as one of them is called as the hypothesis testing. We have your hypothesis testing, and next you have your regression analysis, regression analysis. You'll learn about this in other units. I'm just giving you what all we can do, do with biostats. One more is your survival analysis. All right. So to wrap it up, statistics is an essential tool in biostats. It helps us to organize and interpret complex data to make evidence-based decisions. From public health policies to new treatments, statistics enables us to move from raw data numbers to meaningful insights that can improve health and save lives. Thank you for joining me today. Keep in mind that biostats is all about using data to answer important questions in the world of biology and health. So stay curious and don't be afraid to dive in deep into data analysis. So thank you and see you next video.